We're getting a reaction now from MOS Home Kiren Rijiju. The matter was referred to the Home Ministry after the Minister of External Affairs Sushma Swaraj reacted on Monika's allegations on Twitter. Now Kiren Rijiju has told India Today that Ministry of Home Affairs has asked for a full report in the case.
Whatever step the government is going to take is to be taken by the agencies. The Home Minister has already made a statement that the matter has been closely monitored and Home Ministry is looking into the issue. Now the kind of action is going to be taken is something which I cannot make an announcement.
Sir, how do you see the situation in Kashmir? Yesterday, one cop was Manipuri girl making racist comments.
नहीं वो हमारे पास में एक रिपोर्ट आए हैं कि एक मणिपुरी लड़की जो है वो साउथ कोरिया जा रहे थे तो उसको बदसलूकी किया गया है और नस्लवाद का टिप्पणी हुआ है और वहाँ इसमें दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट में इमिग्रेशन ऑफिसर ने बदसलूकी किया है, ऐसा रिपोर्ट आए हैं। तो हमने डिटेल्स मंगाया है कि अगर डिटेल्स सामने आ जाते हैं तो उसका कार्रवाई होगा उस पर। अमरनाथ यात्रा तो आपको मालूम है कि वहाँ कुछ हालात इस तरह बना है, इसलिए वो यात्रियों का सुरक्षा को ध्यान में रखते हुए उसको।
Well, the BJP MP from Arunachal Pradesh and MOS Home Kiren Rijiju also speaking on Amarnath Yatra, but important issue of this Manipuri woman, Monica, who is alleged racial discrimination at Delhi's IGI airport. We have Kamaljeet who's joining us on this now. What are you picking up from your sources, Kamaljeet? What is the action that the government is mulling against this errant immigration officer? Because it's happening in the heart of the capital. This woman holds an Indian passport and look at the questions that she's been asked. Quite embarrassing, not only for the government but for the entire India, because this immigration officer represents the last interaction which an Indian would have before leaving the country.
Well, Davina, let me tell you, there's been no formal complaint regarding this, and that is why we've seen even Sushma Swaraj really reacting, saying immigration doesn't come under her, that she would actually speak to her colleague Rajnath Singh. Now, the MOS Home, who's also from Arunachal, is also a northeastern, has reacted, saying they will await a full detailed report on this and perhaps act later on. But definitely, there's a very thin line of doing a duty and racial discrimination of this kind. Remember, what he said to the woman was that her facial features did not look Indian. Then going and asking, despite her having an Indian passport. So many were saying perhaps he was doing his own job, that he had to make sure that there were nitty-gritties in place. But many are saying he's obviously overstepped that particular line. There should have been a certain amount of sensitivity. Immigration officials deal with people all the time, but there has to be a thin line as to how they behave, especially with a woman passenger, somebody who's going in for a conference, who had asked very uncomfortable questions. Most of them were pertaining towards Manipur, towards India, how many states are there. She obviously didn't seem too happy with that, and that is why she actually put it out on the social network sites in the Facebook, and there has been a social reaction towards that. Many people are saying perhaps it's being called too sensitive. The others are saying perhaps she's doing the right thing. But once the Home Ministry itself has said that they've taken cognizance of this particular report, they've asked for a detailed report, we'll really have to see what the Home Ministry will do. But this is not the first instance of its own kind. We've seen the Base Barua Committee earlier also representing many feelings of the people from the northeastern, saying there has been not just discrimination against the northeastern people, but there seems to there is a requirement of urgent sensitivity.
Absolutely.
Not just between the society itself but also of the government officials as well as the police.
Absolutely, Kamaljeet, be with us because this is not an isolated incident that has come to light. Earlier as well, we've seen that how people from Northeast have faced discrimination, praise and discrimination in the capital. We have Alana, who's an activist, who's joining us right now. Now, Alana, your first comments on why is it that such a brazen discrimination is seen against Indians from the northeastern part of the country?
Actually, this is a huge ignorance on the part of the other non-Northeast people. We have been raising this issue repeatedly to sensitize the immigration officials at the airport. But you know, they don't take it seriously. We have been raising this to the concerned authorities, but they don't take this seriously. Time and again, this has been happening. I myself have been facing these issues whenever I pass through the immigration desk. They looked at you with a sarcastic smile. 2-3 times they looked at you. They asked, they tried, they test you, speaking in Hindi. You know, so things has been happening. I think this time it is good that even Sushma Swaraj, she has responded in her tweet saying that she is sorry for the things that had happened to Monica. So this time I think the Home Minister and whoever is concerned should really seriously think about it. Because if you look at the airport, there is nothing put up on the advertisement, whatever, about Northeast issues. You will see only other things. So even we have been talking about that. Just for 1 year, they should put up a poster. They should put up something to sensitize about the Northeast people. So I think this is something
Okay.
that, yeah.
And Alana, bigger question here is, how can somebody question Indianness of an Indian? It's not about the ignorance of this official only, it's about harassment as well, because there was a lady next to him, according to Monica's Facebook post, who started giggling when he started asking all these harrowing and embarrassing questions to prove Monica's nationality. We continue following the story very closely.